Hi there, if you'd like to delete your YouTube search history, then stay tuned. Watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear or delete your YouTube search history so that YouTube isn't tracking what you're watching. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. So YouTube tracks your search history so that it knows what you're looking for and then can recommend new videos to you every time you pop on their platform. So if you want to delete some of your searches from your history or the whole thing completely for whatever reason, then we're going to head on over to the trusty computer as I show you how. Okay, so here we are in YouTube. So let's do a quick search. Let's go Bugs Bunny. There we go, Bugs Bunny. So there's Bugs Bunny right there. So we've got Bugs Bunny in our search history. So to remove our search history, all we need to do is to go here. So if you haven't got this open, go to the hamburger on the top left and then click on history. So you see here we have our watch history. To clear your search history, go over to the right hand side where it says search history. So we see here we've got Bugs Bunny, we've got How to YouTube, we've got David Walsh. So this would be our long stream of search history here. This is a dummy channel, so I'm just using this as a demonstration. So if you want to clear some of your history, you just click on the X and you can remove them, leaving what you want. If you want to clear all your search history, go over to the right hand side and then clear all search history. Then it will say your YouTube history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. And if you want to know more, basically click this link here. So we're going to click on clear search history. So it's going to clear all our history from our browser, our apps, anywhere where you're logged into YouTube with this particular account. So there you go, that's how you quickly and easily delete your search history, whether in part or in full, from YouTube. That's how you do it on desktop, and I will also have a video for you on how you can do it on mobile as well. And as usual, the link will be in the old description below. I'd love to know what you thought of this video, and if you've just gone and implemented it for yourself, let me know in the old comments area below. And as always, if you have a question about this or anything else to do with YouTube, again, make sure to pop that in the old comments area below and I'll do the best I can to help you get that question answered. Make sure to like and share the video with someone who you think this would be helpful for. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the link here and also the notification bell, and also watch another video right here to help you grow your business using YouTube. So if you want to delete your delete some of your search